Good morning. Welcome to the Johns Hopkins University Bloomberg School of Public Health. I'm Peter Agre, Director of the Johns Hopkins Malaria Research Institute, and I'd like to welcome you all to Future of Malaria Research Symposium. We initiated this conference 8 years ago to give young malaria scientists a special forum to convey exciting studies ongoing in labs and clinics and in the malaria-stricken parts of the world. We'll spend the next few hours together focusing our attention on malaria, still a major killer, especially of small children in sub-Saharan Africa and elsewhere in the world. For the first time in 2 decades, the global burden of malaria has gotten worse. And so much must be done to turn this around. We felt that it's important for our young scientists to have an opportunity to make the decisions about who should speak and which topics to feature. This is simply because science is, and always was, in the young person's domain. It's been said that with age comes wisdom. That may sometimes be true, but age certainly does not bring increased energy, fresh creativity, and relentless drive to seek new adventures that you young folks have. When I took this job 15 years ago, I had the typical baby boomer attitude. We thought we had malaria on the run and would eradicate it soon. Well, that didn't happen. It will soon fall on you folks, the next generation. We're counting on you to do a better job than our generation did. Before we get started, I wish to say some thank you to several people. First, Mike Bloomberg and the Bloomberg Philanthropies, Jessica Layton and Kelly Henning, for your incredibly generous and continuous support for more than 2 decades. To our speakers and to all who are at Johns Hopkins today or watching online. To our organizers, and I'd like you to stand, Mary Gephardt, a postdoc with Doug Norris, doing Anopheles research in rural Zambia. Annie Martin, a graduate student with Bill Moss, doing epidemiology in rural Zambia. Adriano Franco, a graduate student with David Sullivan, studying hemozoan protection for liver stages of malaria. And Abhay Tripathi, a faculty advisor who also manages our parasite core. Thanks to our MMI departmental staff for their help. Lisa Walburn, Joe Troyo, Rose Janamu, and Josh Wensample, to Corey Farrell and Marcus Allen from Multimedia, to Cheryl Young, Joe Hagan, and Scott Klein from Facilities, and finally to our hardworking JHMRI staff, Trish Ward, Anna Coyne, and Lena Johnson-Bay, who work overtime to get it all done. There's one very special person who cannot be here today due to the prolonged recovery from complications after major surgery earlier this year. Please join me in saying a cheerful good morning, Genevieve, and a round of applause for our program manager, Genevieve Williams.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Genevieve, this is for you.
Good morning, Genevieve.
Hey, Jen.